Welcome back to the Space and Place Smart Ideas. If you've been dreaming of giving your home a stylish makeover, but without draining your savings, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into budget-friendly interior design hacks that will give your space a modern, designer-inspired look without the high-end price tag. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or a spacious house, these tips will help you create a beautiful, cozy, and current space on a dime. Let's start with one of the easiest and most affordable updates. Paint. A fresh coat of paint can completely transform any room. Want a modern look? Go for warm neutrals like soft taupe, earthy beige, or even clay tones. These colors are trending in 2025 for their calming, grounded feel. Want to add drama? Try an accent wall in a deep, bold tone like charcoal, forest green, or terracotta. If you want something more artistic, DIY a color block wall using painter's tape and 2 complementary shades. It's an easy and high-impact solution to make any room pop, without the cost of wallpaper or wall panels. Paint is your best friend when you're designing on a budget. It's affordable, versatile, and you can do it yourself in a weekend. Next up, furniture. You don't need to buy new pieces to refresh your space. Start by simply rearranging your furniture to create better flow and highlight focal points like windows or artwork. Then look at what you already own. A tired dresser can be updated with new hardware. Brushed gold or matte black pulls can instantly modernize a piece. You can also paint or refinish furniture to match your current decor. Light wood tones are very in right now, so sanding and restaining a dark piece can completely revive it. And don't forget about multifunctional furniture. Ottomans with storage, convertible desks, and nesting tables are not only smart but also stylish additions that save space and money. One of the easiest ways to elevate your home on a budget is through textiles. Swap out throw pillows with new covers in trending patterns or textures like boucle, velvet, or woven cotton. Stick with a consistent color palette to keep your space cohesive. Curtains also make a massive difference, especially when hung high and wide to give the illusion of larger windows and taller ceilings. Opt for linen look fabrics, or even use budget-friendly hacks like hemming twin bedsheets. And don't underestimate the power of a rug. A well-placed rug can define a space and add personality. Look for affordable options online or check out thrift stores. You'd be surprised at what you can find for a fraction of the cost. Textiles add layers, warmth, and texture. Think of them like accessories for your home. They're the finishing touch that pulls everything together. Wall decor doesn't have to be expensive to look good. One of the hottest hacks right now is using printable art. Sites like Etsy or even free image libraries offer high-resolution artwork you can print at home or at your local copy shop. Frame them using basic IKEA or thrifted frames for a chic gallery wall on a budget. You can also get creative with DIY decor. Make abstract art using textured paint and a canvas, or craft wall hangings using rope and dowels. Even a simple floating shelf with a few curated items like books, plants, or a candle can create visual interest and a sense of style. If you're even a little crafty, there are so many ways to create your own decor. It's personal, it's fun, and it's incredibly affordable. Lighting can make or break your design. Swapping out old light fixtures for something more modern, like a minimalist pendant light or an arc floor lamp, can change the entire vibe of a room. You don't need to hire an electrician either. Plug-in wall sconces or battery-powered puck lights are perfect for renters and tight budgets. Also, layer your lighting. Combine ambient lighting with task lighting and accent lighting. Think string lights for ambience, table lamps for reading nooks, and under-cabinet lighting in the kitchen. Warm white bulbs give that cozy high-end glow that makes your space feel like a designer styled it. Another low-cost way to modernize your home is to add natural elements. Houseplants are a fantastic and budget-friendly decor item. Snake plants, pothos, and peace lilies are all low-maintenance options that add life and freshness. Even faux plants can do the trick if you're short on time or light. You can also bring in natural materials like rattan baskets, bamboo trays, or wooden bowls. These add texture and warmth while keeping your space grounded and on trend. Bringing nature indoors makes any room feel more alive, more balanced, and more welcoming. It's a timeless trick for good design. As you've seen today, you don't need a huge budget to create a home that feels modern, stylish, and uniquely yours. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, small updates can lead to big transformations. So which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest interior design tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, beautiful design is for everyone, no matter your budget.